Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the process of creating and saving a template in ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow along with us. Begin by locating and clicking the Send option in your ConvertKit dashboard. This section is where you'll manage your email communications. From the drop-down or sidebar, select the Email Templates option. This will take you to a page where you can view existing templates or create a new one. To start creating a new template, click on the New Template button. Browse through the available templates and choose one that aligns with the purpose of your email, whether it's for a newsletter, promotional content, or an announcement. After selecting a template, give it a meaningful name. This will help you easily identify it in the future. Use the editing tools to personalize the template according to your preferences. You can modify elements like text, images, colors, and layout to ensure it reflects your brand's identity. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click the Save button to finalize your template. Your template is now created and ready for use. Now return to the Send section in the dashboard to start the process of sending your email. Select the Broadcasts option to view your options for sending email broadcasts. Click on the New Broadcast button to initiate the creation of a new email broadcast. In the Broadcast Creation window, you'll see the template you created earlier. Click on it to load your customized design. Provide your broadcast with a descriptive name. This helps you keep track of your email campaigns and their purposes. Click on Continue. Decide how you want to publish your broadcast. You can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. If you opt to schedule your broadcast, specify the exact time you want your email to be sent. Make sure to consider your audience's time zone for maximum engagement. Once everything is set, click the Publish button to send out your email. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent an email using a template in ConvertKit. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your email campaigns and effectively connect with your audience. That's it. You're done. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.